Hey guys, this is Jen Baker of 800 Furniture, and I am currently working on a chicken coop coffee table. I bought this chicken coop from a vendor at Morgantown Market. She's one of my fellow merchants there, and she had it sitting in her booth at a great price. The construction of it is super sturdy, and I thought, how cute would this be as a coffee table? So what I've done so far is I have mounted it on top of a piece of plywood because the bottom is very fragile. It's very thin, and it's kind of sort of coming apart just from age. So I've reinforced it with a new bottom, and it's now sitting on top of furniture legs so that it's at a proper height for a coffee table. So here you can see what I was talking about. I've got furniture feet that I got from Home Depot, and they've been installed up underneath. Here's the original, or the new plywood. I got a very thick piece because I want the construction of the base to be really sturdy, especially if it's going to be used for a coffee table. And then here is the base of the chicken coop. But the problem is that the old wood and the new wood don't match. The new wood is really light. The old wood is older. It has more of an aged patina to it. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be painting the whole thing with a custom 50-50 mix of Curio and typewriter. And I've watered my combination down so that it's more like a stain than it is, full strength milk paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint this to make everything look uniform so it all blends together. And the nice thing about using milk paint as a stain is that there are beautiful, the original labels are still, like the brand is still on the top of the chicken coop, and I don't want to cover that up with paint. So using milk paint as a stain will help give me color, but still retain the original labeling and the maker of this chicken coop, and you'll still be able to see it when I'm done. After my milk paint stain had completely dried, I went over the entire chicken coop with Miss Mustard Seeds hemp oil. This oil is used as a top coat and works wonders on raw, dried out, old and thirsty wood. All you have to do is pour it into a little container and use a brush or a foam applicator pad and apply it directly to the wood. Immediately upon application, the wood becomes shiny, lustrous, and hydrated. The last step is to wipe off the excess hemp oil from your piece and to let it cure for a full 30 days. And so friends, there you have it, a chicken coop turned into a coffee table. I added some twinkle lights inside to give a different look and to add some nice ambiance. I also got a piece of glass cut that's tempered and rounded on the edges to protect the top and provide a level surface to put your things on. So what do you think? Are you going to get your own chicken coop now? For more inspiration, visit my website at www.800furniture.com.